Hello, I'm an employer of Sunbeam Company. I would like to present you our product, Asphalt Gas Radiant Heater, AGRH. Asphalt Gas Radiant Heater was manufactured to repair small defects on the asphalt roads or to remove vinylo asbesto tiles. To begin with, we want to show you start procedure of asphalt heater. Firstly, we open the gas in cylinder. Secondly, we press and hold this regulator and we turning it like that. After that, we wait when the pilot starts. Now we can see a pilot flame, so we can set the regulator to this position. Next, we turning the second regulator and we choose the power from 1 to 7. Temperature is regulated between 120 to 300 degrees of Celsius. Now we see how the tiles warm up. After about 8 minutes, the temperature under the heater will be 200 degrees of Celsius. On this thermometer, you can check the temperature under the heater. In the video, we see first way to connect the heater. We can change the well's position like you see on the video. Now we see another way to connect two devices. This is the effect of connecting two asphalt heaters. Now we see asphalt gas radiant heater in action.